All right, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Just give me a few moments and time out of your tight schedule. I want you to pay rapt attention to this fantastic opportunity. That's not scam, that's not Ponzi scheme. Just to tell you, exploring the global financial market in the modern era, the traditional promises of job security has dissolved into reality of economic volatility. As we navigate 2026, of course, and beyond, the global landscape is no longer a stable foundation, but a shifting ship or how key holds. Energy-driven inflation shocks and geopolitical risk triangles. Relying on a single local income stream is no longer just risky, but it's a strategic failure, and I can tell you, suicidal. The global financial market represents the only arena where the individual can decouple their wealth from their geography, turning global chaos into personal leverage. However, the holy grail of this era isn't a specific trade or secret board. It is the internal asset architecture you build within yourself. Therefore, the real asset is equal to mindset plus skill set plus tool set. The Plan B Express is here to show you how to navigate and maximize the new economy to stay afloat in this uncertainty, characterized with geopolitical war and AI contention with human specialization. Think about this. However, what I'm presenting to you as the requirement for when talked about financial market, talking about investing or trading the global financial market, certain things are expected, which has to do disclaimer. The risk warning. Financial market, including forex, crypto, and synthetic indices, are volatile. Trading on margin carries a high level of risk to your capital. Copy trading does not guarantee profit and may result in loss exceeding your initial deposit. So crypto, forex, synthetics, they're highly volatile and subject to market shift. But you ask me, Felix, you're telling us all of this. So why all this? Because you get prepared and look for what works to maximize or minimize. So to maximize profit and actually minimize certain exposure to risk. So please consult with a certified financial advisor before investing. PBS Club is an educational platform and not liable for any individual trading losses. Quickly, let's look at what we have for you. We call it the 3-in-1 solution for market exploration. So pay attention quickly. So there are 3 typical ways of exploring global financial market. Number 1, you can actually achieve good result from the global financial market on passive level. Pay attention. One of the good side of the passive is, I'm not talking about investing in Ponzi scheme. I'm talking about exploring the market legitimately. So the risk in passive is lesser. So as risk is low, the reward equally low. But like Warren Buffett will say, let time compound for you to achieve better result with even small amount. So low stress, high leverage. What do we mean? This leverage is that hands-free. You do nothing. You don't need to bother yourself with the brain work and all of this. No, but it's slow, steady. And that's what we emphasize. We're not talking about Ponzi scheme. Please take that off. Second, active, high risk, because you are going to be exposed. The risk is not only just when you lost the money or if potential loss of money. The risk is psychological trauma. You're going to involve yourself in all of that. Okay? But high reward. If you can master this drill and the skills, it has high reward. High stress. Okay. All right. So you want a lion share, you need a lion, all right, power. So your powered contributions and what you need to do. So you have to take a lion step. Low leverage. That means you are going to be working. There are leverage. Today, we have leverage on different things, talk about AI system. Then residual income, low risk, because you can start residual system on the financial market without even getting started with a dime invested in. High reward, high stress. Yes. There's stress there because you're going to get involved. Like if you get to a partnership business, you're going to get started to talk about it. You have to go everywhere. You have to build it and all of that. But of course, you make money. High leverage because you're going to benefit from your 1% effort to 100 people with their 1% effort. That's the thing about it. So what is risk? Quickly before I put you to how do you get started with this and what's there for you? First, probability of bad outcome is what we call risk, which means potential loss of money in an investment or business operation. Then what is leverage? If there are risks, there must be leverage. Leverage, opportunity for a multiplier effect resulting in less effort, but more result. That's leverage. You have opportunity to amplify your income and all of that, or outcome of what you're doing, leverage. With little effort, but more outcome, and then with little cost. Then what is control? These three things are very important. You want to do well in business, understand risk, understand leverage, and understand control. These are three key things that you must learn to understand. Okay, now what is control? Control is to exercise restraining or directing influence over, that meaning to have power over something. The red flag for any online system is lack of control. Any business you want to get involved in, level of control, you should be able to define it to an extent. Therefore, if your money is not in the bank, your money is not in a broker, your money is not in an exchange, your money is not in a wallet, you are probably in a scam project as it lacks control. Good. You will ask me more. I'm not going to talk more about that. Now, why? Because your bank is your name, it's your detail. You carry out operation on it. Okay? Either by the app or if it require you to go to the place, the banking floor, to sign something, then you can go. That's a control. You have charge, you have power over it. Broker, maybe forex broker or stock broker. Anytime you want to discharge your money, you want to sell off your stock, your crypto, withdraw your money from a broker, you can press button. And that's what we mean by control. In an exchange, of course, your crypto, you can sell off, even if you're at loss, you say, I'm okay, I don't want to pull out my money, then you can pull out your money. So what that means is that anywhere you're putting your money, you don't have control over, be careful. Wallet is still personal to you. Okay, so now our passive system includes copy automation. That's the number one thing. We have three combination. So we go detail when you want to get started. Whoever sent you this video, get back to the person and ask how to get started. So we have PBS Club 1, we have PBS Club 2, we have PBS Club 3. Now, the crypto portfolio, holding, liquidity provisions, and tokenization. So these are passive system. Stock portfolio, blue chips, dividend-based, and penny stocks. These are some of those stock portfolio. Fixed income, money market, land banking, and different segments. Now, I'll talk about ETFs, talk about different platforms and to make money. Solution. We have three platforms we actually partner with to take over this. Capital Extend, you can get back to whoever that asked, direct you, WellTrade and AI Tech. Bybit, Bit1, and then Bamboo, Meritrade, True Finance, and Pluto News. So you can get back to whoever that direct or give you this video to ask for how to get set up with this. Okay, quickly. Active career systems. So we have personal trading. Now listen, in personal trading, there are requirements to actually get it done properly. First, you need MST kits. MST means mindset, skill set, and tool set. Mindset yourself, your readiness to learn, your readiness to actually take charge, your readiness to move against all odds. Then skill set, your readiness to learn and then get the right skills into applying and exploring money out of the market. Tool set, of course, there are help of tools, AI supporting tools that help you to simplify trading, unlike before. Then funding, we have personal, where you can raise money by yourself, that you do freelancing, do some other things, and you raise money, then start trading. Then all other people money, OPM. And this is made possible through what we call a prop firm. Okay, now solutions. PBS Club, where you can acquire right training and then can have what we call market scanners. Very, very fantastic. That will help you to trade like a pro. Then prop firm, where you can access other people's money. That is the part of leverage. Captex, World Trade, or Derive. There are some of those platforms you probably want to trade. So we have partnership, official partnership with Captex 10, World Trade. People can make money. Now, quickly, the third thing is partnership and affiliate rebate system. So, which is residual, building social capital into a cash flow. Channels, we are PBS Club and Market Scanner. Whoever you invite to become users of our scanners, you make residual income, because every time he renews, you make 20% of the subscription fee. AI Tech ecosystem, you have weekly rebate income, monthly income too, and all the money. Then Capital Extend will have weekly and monthly income, and then World Trade will have daily and monthly rebate income. So all of these I mentioned, especially the PBS Club and Market Scanner, you do not need to have used it before you can refer anybody and you make 20%. On Capital Extend, the same thing. You can build up business empire without have invested a dime. Just bring people into, make use of the platform. Exactly, you refer people to our copy trading, then you're going to be making a lot of money. The same thing on World Trade. Okay, now quickly, the solution for you to trade effectively, we'll call it hybrid trading solution, PBS market scanners. Now, the PBS market scanners are elite and then elite high precision tools designed to filter market noise and provide institutional grade entries. Each scanner includes specialized price action toolkit and flexible time frame options to fit every trader's trading style. Two major specializations of scanners are the structural foundation scanner and the institutional grid level scanner. One focus on all instrument as well as all trading style, such as scalping, day trading, intraday trading, swing trading, position trade, while the later focuses on gold, BTC, and commodity scalping, hunting for 50 to 100 pips using lower time frame for gold. So the accuracy of these scanners is from 75 to 90% if rules are properly followed. Okay? If rules are properly followed. So we have those rules there. So when you subscribe, we're going to show you them. Now, A+ scanners for self-generated signals, PBX S&R scanner. This is the most universal. We have a support and resistance or demand and supply zone, and then when the buy-sell signal appeared for you to buy or to sell. This is for gold, right? This is the US dollar, Japanese yen, USD JPY. Buy, sell, and then this is the institutional grid. I'll trade gold, to scalp crypto, or Bitcoin especially. And then this is the example of that. Now, what does it cost to be part to use this? Price list, an additional benefit. Yearly price is $200. If you want to subscribe for 6 months, it's $150. And if you want to subscribe for 3 months, it's $100. Monthly is $50. Additional benefit, access to our VIP group. So not just selling scanner to you, of course, you have access to our VIP group. If you subscribe for 3 months, 3 month access to the VIP group. 1 year, 1 year access to this VIP group. There, you still have access to expert trade ideas and chart, access to interval signals, access to professional trading academy courses. They are there, they are free for you once you subscribe for the scanner. Access to crypto portfolio building, access to stock portfolio building, access to live trading and scalping. Then 20% affiliate commission for referring users. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the simplest thing. And if you want me to just show you some demonstrations of the scanner, look at it. This was a sell we have sold since in the morning, and then we have traded gold today, massive buy, sell. Now you can see how the scanner buy and then sell continuously. So you can see different instrument. Look at Bitcoin. So you can see, lovely. Look at where we entered from. So TP1, TP2, TP3 down, and then the market just struggling perhaps before TP4 probably could be done. Okay, then you have different instruments that you can use it to trade for crypto, for Forex, all right, for stock, everything you can trade with this amazing scanner. I'm telling you honestly speaking. So whoever sent you this video, ask him, how do I get started? How do I access my own copy now? Like I told you, stock, RKT is a foreign stock I've been trading some time. After the dump, I expected the push-up, and that the push-up start happening. Okay, they won't pop to $15 today. Previously, this should be last week. All right, so starting from here. Now, stock, even like local or Nigerian stock, PZ, different stocks that you can use to visualize and trade appropriately. Is that got in, please? So this is how we maximize the opportunity in our ecosystem. So PBX is a fantastic platform. You have access to so many things that will help you to build up and trade like a pro. Does that make sense to you? You want to get your own copy? Be fast about it. Reach out to whoever that invited you or give you this training and ask how to get started. You get a lot of support with trade. You get a lot of access to so many other important investment guide and information. So thank you very much for listening, for the time. And this is so far we have. So it's beautiful. We have testimony from different people, even people who have not traded before. They've been using it and it has been highly, highly phenomenal. You'll be surprised at the precision of this scanner, amazing scanner that will deliver maximally. You cannot just imagine it. Thank you very much. And get back to the person who invited you so that you can use this amazing scanner and join the community where we win together. Plan B Express, together we rise. Bye for now, and thank you very much.